This week, we're gonna learn a really cool groove. This is called the SHAMROCK. Let's get into it. Now, we're gonna start facing this way, and you wanna take the back foot, so at this case, it's my right foot. You're gonna step out, then you're gonna turn it in and face the way that you just came from, and then step together. Do that again. We're facing over to the side like this. You step out with the back foot, the right foot, step out, turn it in, then step together. We're gonna take it out to the other side now, the back foot, which this time it's the left foot. You take it out, turn it in, and step together. We're gonna do those two back to back. Out, turn, in. Out, turn, in. We're gonna count that now. We're gonna count this 1, 2, 3, wait 4. 1, 2, 3, wait 4. On the count of 3, we're gonna add something new to it, okay? So when you step out, 1, 2, when you step in, 3. You're gonna go up onto your toes. So that again, when you step in, 3. See how I just lift both my heels off the ground and then I come down on the count of 4. I'll show you again. You step out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't want to do the little raise or the rise onto your toes, you can do a hop or a jump. You can go 1, 2, push, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's totally up to you. You can do it this speed, or you can do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you start to get confident with the step, you can add some little arms to it. If you wish, you can mix it up. You can do a little jump and then a little raise. So how did you guys go? If you need a little bit more time, just take it to the beginning of the video and I'll meet you right here. The cool thing about this step is you can do it slow, you can do it fast, and you can mix it up. You can just do one if you want. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me on another Moves in Minutes. I'll catch you next week right here on my YouTube channel.